inapatikana.
GIIKARO kia umuthi gatagati ga kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC na ngwataniro cia arutani bururi-ini KNUT, KUPPET na KUSNET gugutanyitwo kuriukia mwihoko kuri makiri ma arutani aria makoretwo metereire nyongerera ya micaara kwa ihinda iraya. Matanya ma ciama ici kururumura ndereti ya nyongerera ya micaara kuringana na NGIRIMITI ya mwaka wa 2021-2025 matinakinyanira, kuona kiria kiaririirio ni nyongerera ya micaara kuringana na MWEREKERA uria WIRIGA KUHEANWO ni mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto wa kuongerera aruti wira a muingi micaara na gatagati ga gicunji kia 7 na 10 hari igana.
What we expected in the review is not what they brought to us. And we asked them a question. Suppose the president did not pronounce 7 to 10%, then what were you going to bring to us?
The SASRI said they teach us and other public servants to get between 7 and 10%. That we were expecting not less than that, despite the fact that we had our own ambitious expectations and what our teachers expect outside there.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KUPPET Akelo Misori, TSC nirakugeria arutani wara kuona ona nyongerera ino ya gatagati ga gicunji kia 7 na 10 hari igana inyihitio kinyagia gicunji kia 2.4 na gicunji gia 9.5 hari igana.
And even at that level they are suggesting that payment is phased in 2 years. So you can imagine how deceitful Teacher Service Commission is and how they are prolonging our anxiety.
Ngwataniro ya arutani ya KNUT ona kuhanoro uguo ni yukitie nyongerera ino na kuringana na TSC gicunji gia 9.5 hari igana gikuongererwo arutani aria mari na micaara minini na kio gicunji kia 2.4 hari igana kiongererwo arutani aria micaara yao iri iguru.
We had actually cited as a union that when this proposal comes over before us, we must fight to make sure that we have a total inversion.
Thiini wa NGIRIMITI ya uruti wira wa arutani mwaka wa 2021-2025 iria yekaniriirwo kirore mweri wa 7 mwaka wa 2021 arutani matiaheirwo nyongerera o yothe ya micaara ona kuhanira uguo ciama cia arutani ikoretwo igitindikiriria TSC guthurima weru NGIRIMITI ino KUPPET ikiendekithia nyongerera ya micaara na gatagati ga gicunji kia 30 na 70 hari igana riri na kio kiama kia arutani kia KNUT kiendekithitie nyongerera ya micaara na gicunji kia 60 hari igana.
What we discussed with Teacher Service Commission 2021-2025 CBA, because that meeting could not this meeting could not end today. Yes, they told us to sign. We told them we are not signing.
I've given them up to Monday to come up with tangible proposals which we can talk about.
Thutha wa kwaga kuigwithaniria muthenya wa umuthi micemanio makiria ni tanyitwo guthii na mbere kiumia giukite ngwataniro ici igitanya ati TSC ni kaiyukia mendekithia mao ma nyongerera ya micaara handu-ini ha Kameme TV yetagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.